Well, we have here a great traveling surgeon set, English about 1860, and a pharmaceutical box a little bit later. Flabbergasted to see them. Can you give me some history on them?
Well, actually, it was my grandfather who graduated out of Queen's University, and I think in about 1860, around as you say. This goes back, I think, to my grandfather's time, and then my father took over the equipment after that.
Right.
So consequently,
it's been in your family all this time.
It's been in the family.
Well, you can imagine being the doctor in a small Saskatchewan community, and this would have just been the perfect kind of gear for him, because he might have arrived at the site of a train wreck, and he would have had to deal with injured people right on the spot, and he would have used a cutting knife like this to cut through cartilage, cut away mounds of loose flesh to get to bone, to use the saw. And, you know, in maybe a little more sophisticated areas where you'd have to relieve, pressure if there was bleeding on the brain.
This is true.
Yeah, he would have used this to bore through the skull, the tray pan to relieve that pressure. And do you have any idea of the value? Have you ever had these items appraised before?
I never have, and that's why I thought, well, I better come over here with it.
I think on the pharmaceutical kit, with all the bottles, complete with the drawers and the secret latch, the books and all the material, which is, I think, probably about $18.90. I would say value-wise on that at a good auction would be somewhere between $1,500 and $2,000. And on the surgeon's kit, because it's classic with its brass binding, it's a London maker, all the bits and pieces are there. I would say probably $2,500 to $3,500, maybe more.
Well, I'm going to hold on to it for a while and insure it.
Good for you. Absolutely. Thanks for bringing them in.
You're very welcome. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
There are so many great things in Lethbridge, and we'll be back with more.